Your mini twists and mini braids aren't ugly. You just don't know how to style them. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So these are box braids on my natural hair, no extensions added. If you want to see my updated tutorial, go ahead and check it out above. Like many of you, my braids be looking boneless when they down. So I'm going to show you a couple of hairstyles that you can try out to just add a little razzle dazzle to your braids and just to make you feel more confident and comfortable wearing your hair in this protective style. Let's get right into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me good all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love goes on. Tell me 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 your love turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that is true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Tell me your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.